Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start in Settings, so right-click the desktop and choose Personalize to open background options. Once done, make sure you're on your user profile because background changes apply per account. This avoids overriding someone else's layout. You'll see Background, Colors, and Themes. Select Background to proceed. Why here? Because Windows centralizes visual options for consistency across lock screen and desktop. Don't worry about file formats yet. Windows supports JPG, PNG, and BMP, so you can immediately pick an image or browse for one. Now choose the type of background: picture, solid color, or slideshow. Pick picture for a single image or slideshow to rotate multiple images. Click Browse to navigate to your image or folder. Once selected, Windows shows a preview so you can confirm the fit. Make sure to adjust the Choose a Fit setting, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span, so the image looks correct across different monitor sizes. If you use a slideshow, set a time interval and toggle Shuffle if you want random order. To finish, apply your selection. Most background changes auto-apply, but verify the preview matches your intent and then close Settings. If the wallpaper doesn't change, check that the image file isn't on a network drive requiring credentials and confirm file type is supported. Permissions can block updates. If problems persist, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in to refresh the shell. One key troubleshooting tip: if Spotlight or a corporate policy overrides backgrounds,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.